soldiers.
Soldiers? They have soldiers? Inside that ship? Oh! No! No! That is scary. I hate scarecrows. No.
School, is it? Eh?
No. No one's in there.
Well, how did you...
Oh my god! Oh. No! I don't like that a bit. Oh my god, I hate scarecrows. They're next to clowns. After clowns, scarecrows.
It's now. Hutchinson, this is the time. It's now.
Wait, what was that? Is it the future you saw?
Boy's useless. Permission to give Latimer a beating, sir.
All those images of mud and wire told of a shadow. A shadow falling across the entire world.
A shadow.
It's not true.
Next year,
I'll admit mankind doesn't
mud and wire is like what
to prove itself.
the boy saw.
Can provide honor and valor and
Latimer, right? That's what his that's his name. Whoa. Okay. That's nice. That's Dr. Move right there.
You extraordinary man.
Yes. If- as a Time Lord, as a human, he's extraordinary.
You'd like to be.
Martha, what have I told you about entering unannounced?
Wasn't on the list.
What the hell am I supposed to do then?
Thank you.
You had to, didn't you? Had to go and fall in love with a human. And it wasn't me.
Aww. That's sad.
Keep me away from the false and empty man.
Oh no, they're already these people. Oh my god. Oh, that's so creepy.
This isn't very funny, sir.
Just shut up, stop talking, cease and desist, there's a good girl.
Mother of mine is dying to meet you.
Mother of mine.
And here she is.
What?
Stop mocking me, sir!
Mother of mine just needs a shape. We go through shapes so very fast. Yours is perfectly adequate. Mother of mine. Embrace her.
Oh, so they don't have shape. So they just possess them. Now I get it.
Best give me some warning. Can you actually dance?
Yes, you can.
I'm not certain.
The doctor dances.
Yes.
And some mutton. Or sardines and jam, how about that?
I like the sound of that.
Right.
He knows. She knows. She knows. Run fast! Oh no! She's got a gun! Oh!
They found us.
This is ridiculous.
Martha, I warned you.
God, Doctor, we're hiding from aliens and they've got Jenny and they've possessed her or copied her or something and you've got to tell me where's the watch.
Oh, I see. Cultural differences.
Cultural
It
differences.
must be so confusing for you.
Oh my
Martha,
god.
this is what we call a story.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but I've got to snap you out of this. Wake
Oh.
up! You're coming back to the TARDIS with me!
How dare you? I'm not going anywhere with an insane servant. Get out!
Oh my god.
Absolute cheek. You think
You've gotta find the watch.
The funny thing is, you did have a fob watch.
Oh, sorry! Sorry!
Martha?
Not now, Tim's busy!
He's got to watch. Oh my god.
Do you know what this is? Name it.
Screwdriver.
Go on. Name it.
John, what is that silly thing?
It's a sonic screwdriver.
You're not John Smith. You're called the Doctor. The man in your journal, he's real.
Spare a penny, sir?
I didn't spare you.
Oh my god, it can disintegrate people? He actually turned into dust. Oi!
Mr. Clark, what's going on?
Oh,
Smith?
that's what's going on.
Get it. Don't say anything.
Don't say anything.
The teacher, he's a doctor. I heard them talking.
You took human form.
Of course I'm human. I was born human as were you, Baines. And Jenny and you, Mr. Clark. What?
Oh.
Change back.
I don't know what you're talking about. Change back! I literally do not know.
She's your friend, isn't she?
Doesn't this scare you enough to change?
Let's have you.
Oh my god. He doesn't know anything. How can he change back?
Being human, has it taught you wonderful things? Are you better, richer, wiser? Which one of them do you want us to kill?
Oh my god.
Maid or matron?
He's gonna choose the matron and it's gonna hurt Rose.
Or your lover?
Oh, not Rose. Martha. No way. Why didn't you tell me? No one told me. It's a two-parter. Okay, I'm sorry. I only got one episode for tonight because I'm going to watch Torchwood right away. Oh wow, that is good. Give me chills. Okay. Is he gonna choose Martha? Or is he gonna choose the matron? Your friend or the matron? This is really good though. We still don't know the entirety of the story, why they're looking for him, why they want a doctor. They did something right, that's why they're chasing them. And now they're hiding. He became human. So they should open that watch in front of him, right? So that he will remember and he will become the doctor again. At first I thought that the moment it opened, it will just, you know, release his essence or something and it's gonna make him the doctor. But no, the boy, Latimer, opened it multiple times. And that's why this aliens or this creature said that it's everywhere, because he kept opening it on different places. That's why they can't really pinpoint where that smell is coming from. And this boy have powers. He is special. And he can sense things. He can see things. So I really want to know more about the why, you know, why this happened, why they're chasing them, and maybe we're gonna find out that next episode. Okay, so yeah, I really enjoyed this one. I enjoyed this episode. I love this, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it with me as well. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel for more Doctor Who reactions. Full version is in my Patreon, as well as early access of the next 2 Armor episodes. If you want to watch them, then go ahead to my Patreon page. Links of that is in the description below. And yeah, I'm just really thankful for all of you guys for all the support. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode of Doctor Who. Goodbye.
Want to watch more reaction videos? Please click here to subscribe. Want to watch more reaction videos? Please click here to subscribe.